The Cuisinart, the Zavor, or TLOG Mini? Perhaps the Aroma or the Nostalgia? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 food steamers available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best food steamers. The 5th product on this list is the TLOG Mini. Are you looking for a simpler way to cook rice? Or how about something to heat up your food? A microwave can easily dry out your food and has other issues attached to it. But a food steamer is quick and clean. All you need to do is pop it in the bowl and adjust the setting you want for a healthy meal. The TLOG Mini is just that. It's a mini steamer or rice cooker. This cooker can hold 5 cups of liquid or food. Whether you want to reheat or cook it, the TLOG has you covered. You'll be able to cook up soup, porridge, or other soupy dishes. Not only that, but it does well with oatmeal or vegetables. Steamed vegetables are very healthy, and with this cooker, it's easier than ever to make them. Furthermore, you'll like that the handle doesn't overheat, and you won't burn your hands on the steam rising from the cooker. This will let you move the cooker while in use, and you won't have to worry about burning your hands doing it. It's the ideal device if you want to improve the convenience of your kitchen. Its pros are, it's a great substitute for a microwave as it won't heat unevenly or dry out all your food. It's an excellent rice or vegetable cooker and cooks things quickly and efficiently, and its handle keeps you from burning your hands when you move the cooker during use. However, apart from the bowl, the rest of the steamer is fairly difficult to clean out all the cracks. The TLOG Mini is great for cooking rice and vegetables, as well as heating up just about any food you can think of. Up next in 4th place is the Nostalgia Diner Style. Not looking for a rice or vegetable cooker? How about a hot dog steamer or a bun steamer? Then you've come to the right place. The Nostalgia Dinner Style can fit up to 24 hot dogs and 12 buns all at once. It is capable of steaming other foods, such as vegetables, but it might not work as well as the TLOG Mini. The Nostalgia works best with steaming mostly meats such as hot dogs, brats, sausages, and more. You will appreciate the dual tray system, which allows you to steam 2 decks of food at once. Moreover, the Nostalgia Diner Style offers several features that make your life easier. For example, the steam tray that holds the water is easy to fill and keep track of the water levels. Furthermore, the cooking dial gives you easy access to the cooking settings on the fly. Additionally, you will like that the Nostalgia has a hidden compartment for the power cord, so you can easily store it when not in use. When you want a filling meal with less hassle, this is the perfect appliance. Its pros are, it has 2 large trays to steam meats or bread products easily all at once. It's easy to refill the water tray and track the amount of water that is inside. And it has a hidden storage compartment for your power cord, which makes storing the cooker much easier. However, steaming buns without them getting soggy takes some practice as water vapor builds up quickly. The Nostalgia Dinner Style is a great cooker for large numbers of hot dogs and other meats. Still haven't found a food steamer that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Aroma Cool Touch. This unit is excellent for cooking just about anything you can think of. You'll even be able to bake a cake in this thing. There are many features that enhance the Aroma Cool Touch's capabilities. For example, the front control panel has numerous options that will give you precise control over the way you want your food cooked. You'll be able to choose between the slow cook settings of a low, medium, and high. Furthermore, you can choose the preset buttons for rice, oatmeal, grains, cake, soup, and yogurt. But that's not everything. You can also set a time delay if you are in a rush or you need your food to start cooking at a certain time of day. This is extremely helpful if you need the cooker to start during the early hours of the morning. You will also like that the Aroma Cool Touch has a 10-cup capacity. This is quite large and will give you plenty of space to cook numerous dishes of your choice. Lastly, the Aroma also comes with a pot, spatula, and measuring cup, making it even better value for money. Its pros are, it has abundant settings to perfectly cook whatever dish you desire. It has a delay timer which lets you control exactly what time your food will start to cook, and it can hold up to 10 cups of food in liquid all at once, which is quite large for a cooking pot. However, the bowl section can be easily scratched by metal objects, so you'll need to use wooden spoons or a silicone spatula. The Aroma Cool Touch provides a range of cooking options and has a high enough capacity to suit a large family. The second product on this list is the Cuisinart STM-1000. If you're looking for a large steam cooker for your meat dishes or an assortment of vegetables, then look no further. The Cuisinart STM-1000 has a 1.3-gallon glass bowl. This is very big and perfect for cooking large meals all at once. Whether you wish to cook meat, seafood, or vegetables, the Cuisinart has got you covered. It's made of stainless steel, while the bowl is made of thick glass. You'll appreciate the ease with which you can refill the water, as the back pieces can be accessed at any time. Furthermore, you can detach it if needed for even more convenience. You will also like that the Cuisinart is equipped with an LCD screen, which gives you the time it will take to cook your food. Likewise, the settings are simple and easy to understand. With an adjustment wheel, you'll be able to adjust the settings at any time while the dish is cooking. For those that want to spend less time messing about with pots and pans when they get home from work, this is a great option. Its pros are, it has a glass bowl for cooking large amounts of food at once, its refillable water tank can be detached and easily refilled at any time, and it has an LCD screen for the time and to easily see the settings panel. However, the glass bowl doesn't always allow the water to drain from the bottom properly. The Cuisinart STM-1000 provides a large 1.3-gallon bowl and offers a unique LCD display control panel. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top food steamer is the Zavor LUX LCD. If you like to cook, chances are you know how useful a pressure cooker or food steamer can be. The Zavor is an excellent starting unit to try out many delicious dishes. You will particularly like that the Zavor can hold a maximum of 32 cups at a time. This is extremely large and perfect for big families or get-togethers. You'll be able to make anything you want in this pressure cooker. Another amazing feature is that the Zavor has over 33 programmable settings, including hard-boiled eggs, meat, beans, soup, risotto, vegetables, omelets, cheesecake, and much more. We particularly like that this device has a sauté mode, which enables you to sauté foods in the same pot before cooking. The steam cooks your vegetables and fish in a way that preserves their nutrients. This means that you can make healthier meals for the whole family with less effort. Additionally, there's a keep warm function that comes on automatically at the end of the cooking time to ensure food will remain warm until the cooker is shut off. Even better, the time delay option allows you to delay cooking for up to 6 hours. So you set it in the morning and have it start just before you get home from work, reducing prep time. Not only that, but thanks to the LCD display, adjusting these settings is a piece of cake. Simmer, keep warm, and slow cook are all included in these settings, so don't be afraid to try new things. Finally, the Zavor LUX LCD has a 1-year warranty, so you will have peace of mind if it ever breaks down. Its pros are, it is extremely versatile, allowing you to cook almost anything in it. Its pot can hold up to 32 cups, making it extremely large and great for groups of people. It has over 33 programmable settings built into it to make your life much easier and for swiftness. And its LCD display shows you exactly which settings you can choose, and the adjustment wheel makes using it easier. However, it's pretty tall and wide, which makes fitting it on a kitchen counter a challenge. The Zavor LUX LCD offers brilliant overall quality and some truly outstanding convenience options to make your home cooking much easier. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.